our video on what we should wear for DofE and what we shouldn't wear for DofE.
So here you can see three examples of what people might wear for DofE, either rightly or wrongly. We have Harry on the left with some just sort of average street trainers, and Charlotte on the right similarly, and Owen in the centre with what you should be wearing for DofE, which are a pair of waterproof or at least water resistant walking boots, crucially with ankle support. So if Owen turns his foot slightly, you can see that the side of his boot comes up past his ankle, so that if you were to roll your ankle or break your ankle or anything, it would keep it all nice and packed in, rather than just going everywhere, which isn't what you want. So if you're doing an expedition in cold weather, the most important thing to keep yourself warm is wearing lots of thin layers. So you can see here I've got on a waterproof jacket, a jumper and a t-shirt underneath. I could also wear a fleece similar to this one, or some other similar mid-layer instead of a jumper, or in addition to my hoodie. I also have here a pair of waterproof trousers, which are good for if it's raining and you want to keep your trousers dry. I've just got on a pair of tracksuit bottoms. You could equally wear a pair of walking trousers. In addition to that, you could also wear a set of skins or compression tops or thermal tops underneath your clothes to keep you very warm. As you can also see, I'm wearing a hat. I could also be wearing gloves as well. You can get the thin nylon gloves, which keeps your hands very warm, but they tend to get a little bit wet very easily. So if you are wearing them, I would suggest wearing a thick pair of gloves over the top to keep your hands nice and dry.
Go. So on the odd occasion in the UK, we do get a nice bit of warm weather, which is what we like to see when we're on DofE. But as always, we should dress for the occasion. So when you're out, you might want to wear just a little t-shirt, maybe some shorts. But if you're in a situation where there's quite a lot of nettles and brambles, it might help to wear a pair of longer trousers, just so you're not getting cut up a bit. Secondly, you might want to wear sunglasses or a sun hat, because if there's a lot of sunlight you can get headaches, and it just makes it a far more pleasant experience. And finally, on your body, make sure you've got sun cream on, because you don't want to get burned whilst you're out, because you can be out for up to 8 hours in the sun and it's not a pleasant experience. When it's hot, plenty of water. You might want to take a camelback, maybe take a couple bottles of water, and what's good about a camelback is it's very easy to keep drinking, so you make sure you stay hydrated. And the final thing to remember is just because it's hot doesn't mean it's not going to be raining or windy. I take this little windproof rain jacket, and it just means that when it does start to pour, I'm not going to be sweating too much, and it is quite nice. Thank you very much for watching our video on how you should dress for DofE. Harry is now informed and he knows exactly what he should wear for his expedition.
DofE man, reveal yourself. No like it, no like it.